It is the year of the Mini. Lots of new Minis to be shown. We'll start off in the blue class for the new Minis in there. We have the Mini Boost. This is the 595 Mini Boost. So if you remember the full-size Boost and the Freak, kind of very closely related. We went the VersaFlex handles with that are aid in comfort and of course grippiness. With the Mini version on this, it almost feels a little faster than the 595 versus the 590. It's just snappier, let's just say that. Not sure if it's actually faster, but much snappier of a knife. Of course, you have S30V again, and another cool little addition in the 595 is the addition of a micro deep carry pocket clip. Now, this was first introduced in the 535 bug out knife. We now have it available in the 595 Boost.